What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel where I share with you my passion for cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic pesto sauce that is so simple you'll never buy it from the grocery store again. All you need are a few simple ingredients and a blender. Let's get started. Starting off, I have some fresh basil, garlic, Parmigiano Reggiano, toasted tree nuts, and extra virgin olive oil. Don't worry if some items are missing from your pantry. I'll have some clever swaps you can use instead. The first thing we're going to do is grate our Parmesan cheese. I've got about 6 ounces of Parmesan and I'm using a coarse grater. We're going to put it in the food processor later, so don't worry too much about the size. Next, we need to remove the stems from the basil. I'll be using about 6 ounces or 3 cups of basil in this recipe, but you don't have to be exact. If you're using basil straight from the garden, don't forget to give it a quick wash. Now we need to peel our garlic. I like it to be quite garlicky, so I'll be using about 8 cloves. If you're unsure of how garlicky you want it, start with 4 cloves. Time to break out the food processor. Add in your basil leaves, garlic cloves, toasted pine nuts, and Parmesan cheese. Close the lid and slowly add in the extra virgin olive oil and turn the food processor on high. Keep adding oil until your desired consistency. Now it's time to add some salt and pepper. Don't be afraid to adjust the flavors to suit your own taste buds. Once I'm happy with the consistency and taste, I'll transfer the pesto to a clean container. To keep it fresh, I recommend covering the surface of the sauce with a layer of olive oil before sealing it. Now that the sauce is ready, leave a comment, let me know what you're going to be using it in. One of my favorite dishes to make with it is feta and pesto stuffed chicken. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you want to help support the channel, hit that like button to appease the YouTube algorithm, or subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!